Hello friends, today we are going to unbox Volta 72 liter cooler which I have purchased from Flipkart in approximate 14,000 rupees. This is the package I have received and I am going to unbox it slowly and slowly. So it's written a Tata product, Voltas, and Tata is our own Indian company. So I'm a little happy and we can see the specifications written over here. It's written 190 watts, 0.82 amperes and 230 volt, and weight is 18/22 kg. So we are now going to unbox it and see it. We have cut open the outer ropes and now we are going to see what's inside. Inside we can see it has been packed with thermocol. Now we'll see further. I have opened it and it looks really premium. Few days back only I had opened Crompton and the plastic quality from the Crompton is much better. It's very virgin and sturdy and hard, and you can see it's the switch here is given for lures to make them up and down, and the outer one is fixed and only the inner one they get changed. Can you see the fan? It's a metal fan. No, it's a plastic fan, hard plastic, and it looks really good. Now here is the water indicator. 72 liters is the maximum which we can fill it up, and we can see that it is provided with honeycombs and not cotton wool from all the three sides. And below the details are written over here. And it's really looking nice, and I'm going to, there's no ice chamber on the top, and we can see just a remote over here. And caster wheels, they have been provided separately. So there are 3 screws at the back side, and we can actually open these screws and see what's inside. We will just open it one by one. And now this whole thing will come off, and we can see inside, we can see a motor which is written Voltas. And a better view, and we can see a strong blades. And we can see the honeycombs from all the sides. So we are going to close it again. We can see the remote and the battery which has been given with the manual. So we can start our remote. The quality of remote is not that good. and now we'll try to switch it on from here. And yes, it's working very fine. And we can test the air speed. So it's really fast, really cool. The sound of the fan is almost negligible. You cannot hear anything. And with this lovely remote, we can actually, this is really going to be a fun, comfort thing in the house. And I really recommend you to buy this one. This is better than the Crompton product. Thank you. So these are the remote control panels. We can see what all,
and we can also control by the remote.
yes, what all functions are there. Timer is there, 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour.
Like this, we turn it
And
off.
then fan speed, on, off, swing, cool, and eco cool is also there. So these are the functions which are being controlled by the remote from our daughter. And this product is really nice.